Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing a common issue many Instagram users face: bad quality Instagram stories. Don't worry, we've got you covered with a full guide on how to fix this problem. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Start by inspecting your internet connection. A stable and fast connection is crucial for high-quality story displays. Step 2. Clear the app cache on your Android device. This will free up space and improve the app's performance, resulting in better quality displays. Step 3. Turn off the data saver on your device. While this feature can help save data, it can also limit the quality of photos and videos on Instagram. Step 4. Check the photo and video quality settings on your device. Adjust the settings to ensure high-quality displays. Step 5. Try uploading stories without music, gifs, and stickers. These elements can sometimes affect the quality of your story display. Step 6. If all else fails, consider updating or reinstalling the app. An outdated version or glitches can cause low-quality displays. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy high-quality displays on your Instagram stories. Say goodbye to poor quality and hello to clear and crisp story displays.